There's one last situation we can encounter. We might be given a number in the form of a mixed number and want to write it as a percent. When we encounter this situation, write 2 1/6 as a percent, we have two options. We can write our number as an improper fraction, or we can work the same way we did when we were writing with a given denominator. That is, we can write the mixed number over 1. Either one is going to be about the same amount of work, so I'm typically going to choose this first option. Right, so how would we go about that here? Well, I've got my 2 1/6. That's going to be cut each whole thing into 6 parts, add in the 1/6 I started with. Right, so that's going to be 13/6. And now I proceed like I would for any other fraction. 13/6 is going to be something over 100. Looking at the cross products, 13 times 100 is 6 times x. So 1300 is 6 times x. That is, my unknown number is 1300 divided by 6. Let's do that division. 6 goes into 13 twice. 6 goes into 10 once. 6 goes into 40 6 times, right? 6 times 6 is 36. So 216 and 4/6. I think we can cancel a common factor of 2 here. And so we find that 2 1/6 equals 216 and 2/3%. Notice this is wrong without the percent sign here. Number, percent, we need to write a percent sign on the percent. Let me give you one of these to try. Write 1 5/8 as a percent using this technique. Pause the video and try this now. All right, so 1 5/8. That's 8/8 plus 5/8, so that's 13/8. That gives us the proportion 13/8 is some number over 100. Cross multiplying, 13 times 100 is 8 times x, so 1300 is 8 times x. That gives us x is 1300 divided by 8, which, let's do that division. 8 goes into 13 once, into 56 times, into 20 twice. And we could give this as a mixed number if we wanted to, or we could continue and give it as a decimal. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So we could get 162.5. Or if we'd given that as a mixed number, we would get 162 and 4/8, or simplify that to 162 and 1/2. We get 1 5/8 is 162.5%.